Google takes us live. It is a Monday. It is the Modern Fowler Scrum. We have Sam. We have Stamatios. We have Nicola. What on earth is going on? I have been working on website one. I mean, data this morning, which is just sort of organizing. Now that we have the new multiple subscription to individual data model, I can kind of go through and fix up those things. It's a bit of a slow process, but what does it say? Slowly catchy monkey or something, or the slow and steady wins the race. Anyway, that's going through. I've got, we had the Let's Encrypt on the NHS site, needed renewal, and I was in my usual panic. Like, it basically has to be renewed every 3 months. And there should be a way to set up so that it auto renews, so I don't have a panic every 3 months. But I haven't worked out how to do that with MediaWiki. I feel like there should be a MediaWiki Let's Encrypt plugin, but it doesn't seem to exist. Maybe that's something we need to build. And yeah, we've got done the beta release for the membership database for the Anti-Power Society, and the Anti-Power Society has also said yes to building them their website in WordPress. So that's good news. And yeah, so that's kind of my update. Things coming out. We've got the Elixir mob for those who are interested. Then we've got what else happening after that? We've got the website one meeting. I'm going to be doing an interview for a podcast, so I'm hoping that Nicola will take the lead on the website one meeting for me if you can. And then we've got the new members meeting in the AV community talk slot after that. Yeah, that's my update. And Michael is also here as well. Hey, Michael, yay! But Stamatios was in first, so let's go on to Stamatios. Yeah, how are things going with you?
A little bit ashamed to mention that I didn't have enough time for the local swim test with the breadcrumbs that I mentioned.
No worries. Well, you've been at the in-laws, so no problem at all. Yeah. Never be ashamed. There's real life comes first, and then after that, volunteering on projects like this. Yeah, do go on.
I just wanted to say that I'm going to try to continue to find time for that. When I can make time for it, I will get to it. Otherwise, yeah, I will just keep on pushing ahead.
Sure thing. So you're not blocked technically on anything at the moment. No, it's just time. No worries. Well, always great to see you here, even if nothing's been done. That's no problem at all. Everyone always welcome. Good stuff. Let's go on. Thanks to Marius. Let's go on to Nicola. Hey, Nicola, how are things going with you?
Fine. I did some changes. That pull request that is work in progress. The avoid unnecessary API. I would like to have some feedback from you, because I don't know if the tests that I created are covering all the logic that I changed. So if I have your feedback there, it will be amazing.
Sure.
And other change that I've done is there in the CEDAR, I'm creating 100 organizations, and it's being like really fast. It's amazing. I really like it. Yeah. The other thing is I tried to deploy to Station the things that we have been developed, but as I started using the local super repository as a repository, not as a fork, but as a direct clone of the original repository, I tried to push, but it says like I'm not authorized or something like that. So if I can take a look with that thing, it will be great.
Yeah, we can definitely have a look at both those things. Yeah, and that's all local support stuff. Good show.
That is why also I didn't merge the VBAG upgrade that Dependable did, because I just wanted to start deploying to Station first.
Yeah.
So
good show.
And I have no blockers.
All right, great stuff. Yeah, there was a couple of things to look at the end of the session.
Nice.
Excellent, thank you, Nicola. Michael's also here. Hey, Michael, how are things going with you? No audio from Michael? He unmuted there, but I guess Michael having...
Hello?
Hey, Michael, we can hear you now.
I basically just did data mining stuff over the weekend.
Oh, yeah. Right, the deep learning stuff, yeah, that you were mentioning in the data mining channel about, progress on the softmax gradient and vectorize and so on. And I think, you're well ahead of us again. Curses, we'll have to catch up. All right. Well, that's our Scrum. So yeah, I think the issues out there. Well, we've got so feedback on this thing we can have a look at. Let's maybe have a look at the local support deployment thing first. Do you want to
share my screen?
Your screen and just let's have a look at what you were just trying to get the stuff to deploy to Harrow CN staging.
Yeah. I'm here. This is local support.
Yeah.
No changes. And if I go to, I don't know if I did the configuration correctly. So here I have staging. And it's pointing to our Heroku application. So I think this is the way it should work, right?
Yes, although in principle, in order to deploy to staging, you shouldn't need to push to staging. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yes. And let me see then. What I did was here. I think it's here. This one, yeah. I did git push upstream staging.
Right, but to remember that's the way that we do it if it's in a kind of a well. Yeah. No, that's right. Yeah. So you tried that git push upstream staging, did you?
Yeah.
And that didn't work. Do you want to like just run it and show us the?
Yeah, sure. Wait.
But I guess I'm looking at this like, yeah. So first, the sequence that I would do. First of all, is I would do git rebase staging in develop. So did you do that already?
I think so, but I will do it again.
Yeah, so I mean, the other thing to do. So here, do you want to just do git remote -v for me?
Yes.
So here we've got that staging and origin, and so staging here, right, is the git thing. So. Yeah. So what we want here, if we have a look at in my context.
Yes, I will. Yep.
Yeah. So if we look in my so what I'm doing, let's go and find local support. Come on, window. There we go. Local support. There it is. Right. So here I'm on develop. So if I do git remote -v grep develop like this. I should see. So this is. We've got that. Oh, that's interesting. I'm almost surprised. If I do git pull or now that's what is it? That's suddenly anyway. But so what I would normally be doing, like say that I wanted to do a deploy to staging. The sequence that I would do is I would start doing here git pull origin develop, but notice here in this context, this develop is not this develop. I'm pulling the develop branch from the origin.
And origin is the local support, not the one that says there.
Yeah. So if I do here and I go grep origin on here, so this now you might have your upstream set to this, right? So the sequence for you, if you're gonna still have your upstream.
Yeah.
Pointing that, and you're more comfortable in that. We'll get the sequence of commands written out here. Let's go here. Give me a new thing. There we go. So the sequence that I do. So we've got git pull origin develop. That makes sure that we've got the precise develop code locally. Yes. Then I would do git checkout staging. And so here I'd be doing git checkout staging.
You will change to.
And I'll change the staging branch. Let me stash. Oh, I should probably. That's interesting. Hold on. Do that, and I shouldn't have any. Yeah. So git checkout staging.
Yeah.
There's something slightly odd there about that would make it seem like develop doesn't have the correct gemfile.lock in it. There's something about Faraday having been added. I don't Or having been removed there. Maybe there's a dependency that's changed. I'm just gonna
Faraday.
And Faraday, I think, is part of a testing framework. So I'm just going to push that back up. This is just me cleaning up here. There we go. So now we should be able to run bundle here, and we should be able to git check out staging. Right. So now we're on staging here. We're on the staging branch. So let's go back to here. So that we would check out changing, and then
you will do the rebase.
We would do git rebase develop, like so. So then we would do git push, or I would do git push origin staging. Would be how I would do the deploy to. And now this is the staging branch on origin, not the Heroku thing. And so that if we go back to, for example,
and that will trigger all the Travis CI and all the things that we need.
That's right. So I mean, staging is set up here like this, and you can have development staging. That's only needed in that, as we sort of talked about, that emergency situation.
Emergency situation, yeah.
If the CI was not working, I might do here git push staging master.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That would be my emergency deploy.
Perfect. Yep.
So
I will try all these steps in order to.
Yeah. Do you want to just run through them now while we're here?
Sure. Yeah.
Share a screen, and so this is
the screen here. So git pull. Not if I do this one. Yep. Changes. So
now, but note, of course, I just push something up to develop. So what you want to do before you go?
I bring it.
You already updated. You did git pull upstream develop.
Yep. If I do, for example, I'm going to develop again.
Yep.
And this is a shortcut for git pull origin.
Right, but your origin is like, just check what commit that you're on there, because is your origin set to the main repo or to your fork?
No, I'm not working anymore with the fork.
You're working with
that is why everything changed, and I wasn't able to push it again to station.
Okay, yeah. Just to git remote -v for me. Just
sure.
As a sanity check. Yeah, I go. Okay, so origin, yes, is the main one, and then yeah, that's all good. Okay, great, fantastic. Yes. Perfect. So now you're So you've now So you've got the latest develop.
And now I'm going to change to the origin staging, right? So check out.
Yes. So just check out staging. Yes.
And now I'm going to git rebase develop.
Yep.
Okay. And now git push origin staging.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Awesome. Perfect. And now this should be working.
Yeah, so what we should see if we look at, so it's Travis. So Travis will, let's go and find, give me a Travis window. So if we go in, no, I was going to look at that. Well, let's have a look. Travis.
Yeah, it's working. Yes.
Yeah, so that should be running. And then, so the thing is, the check that we ultimately want to do will be when it's finally, and it's going to take a while, isn't it, to go through things. What we've got in the local support notify channel is, let's go up here. What it should do once it, go on Slack. I don't know why I'm dragging it from one screen to the other. It seems to get like stuck in my like third monitor. Is that? Can we see that there? Yeah. So that's interesting. Was that just recently? I don't know. There's a photo. Anyway, once the build passes, it will do the deploy. It should. I think it will tell us that it does the deploy. I get confused. There's a semaphore certainly does for website 1, and then that's the time to go into the staging server, switch it on,
Yes,
and then
and try it. Yes.
Yeah. But so yeah, there's. I mean, what we should do. Once we've done that and everything, we should maybe like just try because you should now have access to this. But I wonder if it'll be a question. So we've got your
yes.
This you're in there. Yeah. So let's see if this works, and we can come back to that.
Perfect.
Thing. But I'll just pop this. Let's put that in the local support DevOps.
Yeah.
Channel.
Nice.
As good, and that would be great to have the added to like a DevOps README even. That's a DevOps here. This is notes for deploy from. Gosh, was it developed to staging? Okay, good show. Yeah, cool. And then. Yeah, so and thanks for all your excellent posts and suggestions over the weekend in the Slack. I haven't had a chance to catch up with all of them yet, Nicola. There's so much great stuff. But yeah, I guess we should probably leave it there. I'll maybe, we could go through this together, but maybe, I've got to get ready for the Elixir mob, and I can put some comments in there, and I'm sure it's going to be pretty good. It sounds great if it's running that fast. Yeah, and then so yeah, I'm going to be in the Kempbeck Scrum, and I'll be I can conceivably be in like the first few minutes of the website 1 meeting, but I can't kind of run it. Like I said, I've got to nip off.
No worries.
And so you're okay to start that one. I guess I'll maybe see you in the next Scrum.
Yeah, perfect.
Fantastic. All right, great to see you both. See you very soon. Bye for now.
Bye.
Take care. Have a great day.
You too.
You too.